There's just no other way to say it. Testing is an inescapable part of your traffic marketing. It's absolutely crucial. Seriously, if you forget this, you might as well give up the game right now and go do something else. That's how important this is. In fact, this part of the traffic course is not optional, it's mandatory. Get the point here? Okay, you get the point, but it's all well and good us making these bold statements. Why exactly do you need to test continuously if you're going to get any significant benefits from your traffic marketing? Well, that's exactly what we're going to start off by explaining here in this module. We're going to be talking about marketing cause and effect, testing your marketing inputs and measuring the resultant traffic outputs. You see, the reality of traffic marketing, well, any marketing for that matter, is that you're almost certainly not going to get it right first time, no matter what technique you use. Article submission, video marketing, writing press releases, they all take time to master. That's a simple fact. So you have to accept that you need to establish a means by which you can improve the performance of your campaigns if you want to get any benefit from them. And as the saying goes, what isn't measured can't be improved. We're talking about testing and measuring our traffic marketing efforts so that we can seek to improve the performance over time. No testing, no improvement. And it's not just the good stuff, the things that are working, that we need to identify. It's the stuff that's not working too. After all, if you're spending 5 hours a week or perhaps $400 a month on an activity that's giving you no return at all, wouldn't you like to know? So you can pull the plug and reallocate your valuable resources to the activities that are working? Sure you would. It's about cutting out the waste in your business and leveraging those activities that are working effectively. That's the sort of value you're going to get from this module. We're going to get right into the nuts and bolts of testing and measuring in this session. We'll be taking a look at the many and varied metrics that are available, things we can use to assess the effectiveness of our marketing. We'll be talking at length about conversions, something that many marketers take their eye off when it comes to traffic generation. But that is the one thing that will ultimately determine whether or not the techniques you're using are worth continuing. After all, traffic, for traffic's sake, is a pointless exercise, right? We're going to take another look at Google Analytics, as well as a paid alternative. Plus, we'll be introducing a couple of new tools like Google's Webmaster Tools and Website Optimizer, helping us in our quest to identify what we should be focusing on, the stuff that's actually performing. Then, to help implement the advice we're giving you, using the tools we've shown you, we're going to run through a whole section on tactical testing, the specific things you might choose to test, when and where you ought to use split testing over, say, multivariate testing, and also how to work out whether your testing results are statistically valid. But wait! You guessed it, that's not all, folks. You see, it's one thing to test, another to measure, but there's one more thing you need to do, else the whole house of cards falls down. What is it? That's right, act on the results. In the Acting on Results section of this module, we'll be getting into how we assign values to our tested outcomes, how we scale up or down our marketing activity, and how we go about better targeting our marketing efforts. So, as you can see, we've got a jam-packed module for you right now. Excited? You should be. Let's get started.